You missed.
Oh, yeah, put it right
There. And then
Try it one more time. So this time we're gonna put it way back here so it can get a good kick.
Good job.
Mickey, go again. Sorry. No, 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 no. Get it off. Here, let me try. Okay, my turn.
That was a dumb kicker.
He's a little bit slow on the uptake.
It's motion, not. See if this is here? Punch. It won't go.
There it goes.
Move it though.
Play.